Hey everyone, it's Steve with the Prewitt Group. Just wanted to take a few minutes here today and give you some updates on what we've been seeing in the current market through the end of July. So take a few minutes, check this out. So today we're going to look at some of the current market trends that are affecting the Colorado Springs real estate market throughout the end of July. We're going to see a number of things, including lower inventory throughout most price points, a high number of sales in the lower price points, some upward pressure on pricing caused by those first two factors, homes in good condition that are moving very quickly, and also those creating some multiple offer situations when there's lack of inventory and good demand for things that are priced well. And that overall the market's beginning to stabilize as we go into the height of our sales season. The first chart here shows the active inventory from 2012 till present. As you can see, the active inventory in 2016 is considerably lower than it's been in the past couple years, and certainly is driving the market very much in both how things are priced and how quickly things are moving off the market. The sales by price point, as you can see, shows the largest groupings between 150 and 300,000, and then sales falling off, especially once you get over the $700,000 to $800,000 price point. This chart shows us that in most of the price points under 400,000, we're having things sell very close to asking price, if not over. Especially in the 250 and under market, it's very common to have to go above asking price if there's multiple offers or if a buyer is wanting seller's concessions to be paid. And then obviously more volatility the higher you go in the price point from list price to sale price. The average days for homes to be on a market, most things under 250,000 are under a month on the market right now. A lot of those going off within the first week or so if they are priced well, and then seeing a similar upward trend in days on market as we climb in price point. This historical look at that shows a similar pattern, but does show that we are considerably lower on our average days on market right now in 2016 than we have been in any of the last couple years. So certainly positive signs for our market as things are moving off quicker. This chart shows us the average sales price. As you can see, the numbers from January to the end of July, the market has risen a little over 10% on the average sales price, and certainly think that we're going to see that at least stabilize, if not improve more, throughout the end of the year. So overall, what does this mean for you? Overall, I believe it's a great time to sell, especially in the lower price range markets. Anything under 250 to 300,000, you're being able to capitalize on the equity in your home and make a move to either move to something slightly higher or even quite a bit higher in price point. I believe it's still early enough in this recovery of the market to buy. Historically, we average 5 to 7% appreciation a year, and seeing numbers in the 10% range so far this year to me is very positive, but doesn't show numbers that are far exceeding what we would normally expect. So I think you're still safe to buy into that, and let's not be at a peak for the price that you're going to be paying for a home. Overall, just make the recommendation that if you're going into the market and into looking at homes and making offers, be prepared to encounter multiple offer situations and just lack of inventory in the price ranges under 250,000, and then certainly some more volatility in pricing the higher you go in our market. But overall, I do believe the market is improving and will stay stable throughout the summer, and excited to see what the rest of the year holds for this market, as I believe it's really gotten to a good balance for buyers and sellers to allow a lot of things to happen on both ends that haven't been able to happen for a lot of people over the past couple years. Thanks for taking some time to join us today and find out a little bit more about what's happening in the current market. Anytime we can answer any questions for you or anyone that you know about your specific home value or what is going on in your neighborhood, please let us know anytime. In the meantime, check out our website to see all the great homes on the market, or visit springshomevalues.com to get an instant estimate on what your home may be worth. And we will see you again soon.